How to create playlist on YouTube. Hello and welcome back to Digi Live Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to create playlist on YouTube. You can create a playlist on your YouTube to keep the videos organized. Simply follow the steps exactly as shown in this guide. So let's start the video. On your system, open YouTube. Click on your profile picture in the top right part of the screen. And then choose YouTube Studio from the menu. Click the Create button in the top right corner of the YouTube Studio. Then choose New Playlist from the drop-down menu. Enter the title of your playlist. Below enter description. The visibility is chosen as public by default. Now, click on Create, then your playlist will created. Now click on Content from the left panel. Here, in the playlist section your created playlist will appear. For add videos, click on Playlist. Click on Video option. From here click on Add videos. A drop-down menu will appear. Now you can either choose to upload new videos or choose existing videos. This is how you can simply create playlist on YouTube. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.